How many applications do you open before making one business decision? Many users still switch between their business applications and a separate BI tool just to access insights. This context switching slows decision-making, reduces productivity, and limits analytics adoption. Embedded analytics solves this by bringing dashboards, reports, and insights directly into the applications where users work, enabling faster and more informed decisions. Let's look at what embedded analytics is. Embedded analytics integrates reports, dashboards, KPIs, and insights directly into business applications, portals, and websites. Instead of asking you to go to the analytics, analytics comes to you. Whether it's a customer relationship management, enterprise resource planning, customer portal, or internal business application, you can view data and make decisions without leaving your workflow. Now let's move on to why we need embedded analytics. Faster decision-making. You can access insights exactly where decisions are being made, eliminating the need to switch between applications and reducing the time required to take action. Higher analytics adoption. When analytics becomes part of everyday workflows, you are more likely to engage with data and use it routinely to support decisions. Better customer experience. Customers increasingly expect dashboards, reports, and self-service analytics to be built directly into the products they use. Embedded analytics transform insights into a product feature rather than a separate tool. AI-powered insights. Modern platforms are combining embedded analytics with AI capabilities, allowing you to ask questions in natural language and receive recommendations directly within business applications. And business agility. Organizations can respond faster to opportunities, risks, and changing customer needs when insights are available in real time within operational systems. Now, let's see a brief introduction to Bold BI. Bold BI is a modern embedded analytics platform that helps organizations deliver analytics directly within their applications. It offers flexible integration options, including iframe embedding, ASP.NET, ASP.NET Core, React, Angular, Vue.js, Blazor, JavaScript, and more. This enables developers to embed dashboards and reports into virtually any application while maintaining a seamless user experience. One of the advantages of Bold BI is its collection of ready-made embedding samples available on GitHub. These samples help developers get started quickly without building the integration from scratch. In this demonstration, I will use an ASP.NET Core app. I've included the GitHub repository and documentation links in the description for your reference. Before starting, make sure the required prerequisites are installed like the .NET, SDK, and Visual Studio Code. Click the hyperlink text. You will be directed to the GitHub page to download the sample. Click on the Code tab and download the zip file. Once downloaded, extract. And open the file in Visual Studio Code. You can see the sample has the required packages for this process. Then go to the dashboard server. Settings. And Embed Settings. Then select Enable Embed Authentication. Select Download. From the dialog box, choose a dashboard to embed in your application. And download the file. Then copy the downloaded file and paste it into the designated location. When done, open the application via the command prompt. Run .NET Restore to download and restore all required NuGet packages. Next, use .NET Build to compile the application. Lastly, use .NET Run to start the application. Once the application launches successfully, a local URL will be generated. Copy the URL and open it in your browser. You can see the dashboard successfully embedded in your ASP.NET app. With Bold BI Embedded Analytics, users no longer need to switch between applications to access insights. Analytics becomes part of the workflow, enabling faster decisions, improved productivity, and a seamless user experience. While both approaches provide valuable insights, the way you access and act on data is fundamentally different. Let's explore how embedded analytics compares to traditional standalone BI. For access to insights, embedded analytics delivers dashboards and reports directly within business applications, while standalone BI requires you to access a separate analytics platform. For user experience, embedded analytics provides a seamless experience within your workflow, whereas standalone BI introduces context switching between systems. For decision-making, embedded analytics enables faster, action-oriented decisions by presenting insights where work happens, while standalone BI often requires additional steps before action can be taken. For user adoption, embedded analytics typically sees higher adoption because it's integrated into daily activities, while standalone BI is often limited to analysts and advanced users. For customer experience, embedded analytics allows organizations to provide dashboards and report directly to customers, whereas standalone BI is primarily designed for internal reporting needs. For AI and insights, embedded analytics brings AI-powered recommendations and conversational analytics into operational applications, while standalone BI generally delivers insights through a separate environment. For actionability, with embedded analytics, you can analyze data and act on it in the same application. In standalone BI, analysis and action commonly happen in different systems. For scalability, embedded analytics can be deployed across customer portals, SaaS products, and internal applications, while standalone BI mainly scales as a centralized reporting platform. Standalone BI helps you analyze data, while embedded analytics enables you to analyze and act on data without leaving your workflow. Bring data, insights, and actions together in a single user experience in Bold BI. To learn more about Bold BI, visit boldbi.com. Start a free 30-day trial by selecting the Try It Free option. If you want a demo from an expert, schedule a call by clicking Request Demo. If you find this video helpful, click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you for watching.